Bro, so it's last Tuesday night, which I made a new rule. Do not touch anything and remove all hazards. Alright, nothing after 7 o'clock, which is being awesome. I'm really going to be hard on that rule. So you don't injure yourself. Alright. So, they had that problem. We still can't really move her thumb. Her thumb is swollen. Her thumb is slightly numb over here, but it's not coming back. Hopefully it does come back. I think with the power of the good thoughts, God, and just overall positive attitude, it's going to come back to some extent anyway. At least this inside edge is fine. That was weird when that was dead. It's just like here to there. It's coming back. And even over here it's coming back. That was all dead too, and now it's coming back now. But yeah, we got our stitches out. It looks terrible. There's all like skin scale over it. I just can't, I couldn't even clean it with a nail. I don't know why. It's just swollen. I can still bend it though. That's our next thing. But it's just really, really tender because that's the bending spot right there, and it's all freaking cut up underneath there. So we'll see how that works out over time. I don't think I got any tendons because you would have heard a pop and a bunch of other stuff. The finger numbness is kind of weird, but they could have nicked a tendon. I don't know. Flexor tendon on the bottom. So anyway, they give me these antibiotics, Kelflax or something. There's some other brand it goes under because drugs are under all these different names. I don't really do drugs. I don't drink. I don't do freaking drugs. You know, everyone's on drugs these days. I don't do prescription drugs, like nothing. I'm pretty pure. So I think what drugs might affect me more now because I'm just so anti-drug for like years. I flushed myself out, like 15-something years. Basically, I'm on nothing. Not even antibiotics. I used to be sick all the time. Maybe the drugs are making me sick all the time. I don't know. Yeah, but so I'm pretty pure. So I think I have a worse effect now with drugs entering my pure body. Or semi-pure. So anyway, these pills just totally screwed me up. I had horrible fatigue yesterday. I felt like flu-like symptoms. It's really, really bad. And I looked up the whole side effects on the internet, and other people complain about it too. In rare cases. Okay, I'm rare. But anyway, I go back there to get my stitches out. I'm like, yo, can you also check out this, man? I have like this horrible sore throat. It's just horrible. But it's getting better. It's horrible. But it doesn't get better. It's better for like, I don't know, 10 minutes when I drink a lot of water. Or like cough drop. And then, man, that shit wears off. Oh my God, the freaking pain in my throat. The pain in my throat. It's going to wear off again. You see, I'm drinking water now. It's going to wear off again in a minute. And oh my God, the pain. It's like on fire throat like I've never had in my life. I don't know if the pills did that shit or I have more antibiotics. They say I have a, like how the hell did I get a, infection when I was on antibiotics? I don't know. Unless it's something else. And the medical care here is terrible and I'm dying. Having like severe allergic reaction maybe to the medication. I really don't know. So, I'm not having a good time here. But we'll survive. And luckily, I'm not dizzy. And I don't feel like I'm going to puke. That was my biggest concern today because that really immobilitates. I don't know. I can't even think of the word. I'm all fucked up in the head. It really makes you like, immobilizes you when you're dizzy and you feel like you want to vomit. So luckily I don't feel like that. So happy about that. This is unhappy situation. The other thing's unhappy situation. A domino effect just keeps on falling. We should go knock some stuff over, but what's even the point? Yeah, domino effect just keeps on going. Man, I just want my hand back. At least I can kind of get my keys now. I kind of open the door. It's improving. So I didn't chop off my whole thumb. I can't believe that though. So many times I get myself under the edge, but I'm just not, I'm almost cleared out. A couple more runs, I'm almost cleared out. And I don't think I'm just going to replenish anything. Alright, so when it's done, it's done. It's time to start doing it nuts and bolts and throwing in a pile. But man, I am sick. I am sick and I'm tired. That's all I can say. Have a good one. Stay safe. And, yeah. Sore throat is bad. This like thumb is. I'm just getting it. I think the helping hand. The God sent me a message. It says when your hand is better, we're gonna give you something else. Just so you remember not to give the helping hand anymore, because I give the helping hand and I get burned over and over and over again. So, something like that. We're going to slow you down some more. That's what he's saying. We're going to slow you down some more. Because you didn't learn your lesson. That's what this is all about.